More than likely, all of you out there have a vehicle that you call your own, and just as likely you want to go and improve and customize your car so that when it becomes something cooler and more special. But doing so can cost money, and that can be really complicated. However, if you look at the right parts of your car, you can do little upgrades that truly make it shine without costing a lot or taking a lot of work. Allow us to show you DIY car upgrades that are next level. Be sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel. Number 5. Side light indicators. Depending on the car you have, you likely have the little lights on the sides of your car to help alert people, especially at night, where you are and when you are moving into another lane. It's a very cool feature. But if you want to save energy and ensure that you really stick out, you can just swap out the lights and put in Golf UW indicators. This will give you a more focused light beam to show off your car, and it's as simple as removing the light, unplugging it, and inserting the new indicator. Number 4. Digital screen for your car. Sometimes you have an older car, and those cars aren't exactly the ones that will let you go and do everything that you want. But if you have a ride like a BMW, you can very easily make it so that you can add on things like a digital screen for your car to make it more modern while not overall damaging the car. All you have to do is remove the radio, go and cut out a part of the top of the dash, which is easier than it looks, then merely put in the stand with the screen and hook it all up. Put the radio back in, and you're golden. Suddenly, you have a much more outfitted car without having to replace everything else inside of it. Number 3. Volvo light strip. When it's nighttime, the last thing you want is not to be able to light up your path and thus alert both animals and other people that you are coming down the road. And if you're in a Volvo and you want an extra set of lights to help make sure that people see you, then you might want to hook up your own special light strip. The one shown here is not only easy to install, but it's able to be used cheaply and thus not drain your battery. The result is another set of lights via an LED strip that can help illuminate the front part of your car, giving you peace of mind without costing you a bunch for setup. Number 2. Unruly foldable box. Anyone who owns a truck knows that having the space to put everything you need within the truck bed is great. But even if it's a little loose, it's going to move around and potentially damage what you put in there. However, with the very easy to install DIY unruly foldable box, you'll be able to go and set up a quick and simple storage area for you to place your items in. Keep safe from exposure via cover top in the tailgate, and when you're done with the trip, you can pull out the box on your tailgate to get all the items. All the while, you can find comfort in knowing that your items won't be thrown around back and forth as you drive. Number 1. Webasto sunroof. There are many things in certain luxury cars or high-end cars that we all wish we had in our own more, basic cars, and one of those things is a sunroof. Not only does it help let in light and air into the car, it can just be fun to have in your ride. But obviously, not every car comes equipped with it. So, you can just go and install one yourself, like the Webasto H300 entry automatic sunroof. Now, admittedly, this will take more work than the other DIY fixes, as you're going to have to cut into the frame of the car in order to install the sunroof, but this one doesn't work via wiring to your car, so once you have it in properly, it'll be functioning quite easily. So what do you think? What do you think of this look at the DIY car upgrades that anyone can do pretty easily? Were you surprised by how cool some of these were and how simple to achieve they are? Which ones are you going to be tempted to do for your own ride? Or do you have your own DIY improvement that you want to share? Let us know in the comments below. Be sure to subscribe, and we will see you next time on the channel.